Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 keyboard shortcuts and HOTs are not working. First method is, connect the keyboard to a different USB port. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand keyboards, right-click keyboard, click Update driver. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand keyboards, right-click keyboard, click Uninstall device, click Uninstall. Fourth method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Human Interface Device Service, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start, click Apply, click OK. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.